Now you can start. Oh, brother.
It's already on? Hi.
You're such a dork.
I got myself a palm tree.
I don't know what you're doing.
Half of the snake.
Oh.
It says palm tree.
How much is that?
$9.
$8.50 or $8.75.
So $9.
Whatever, Zach. Remember, I already told you it's your money.
That's my third one. I am happy.
We're at the fireworks store, guys.
Okay.
It's exciting. Yeah, we came last night. I can't
This
push.
time I'm forced to come.
Finally, the whole crew is together, though.
All five.
For
Don't
what?
see it happen often.
We hardly ever have the
last
wild
time
five
since Sherry's.
Uh-huh.
Was that all five together?
Exactly. So it's nice. Shake and
For
bag and
$7.
out. Do you know what you're even grabbing, boy?
This has white glitter in it.
Oh, yeah?
You want it?
Oh my goodness, I'm not doing this like I did last night.
It's $7.
Oh.
19,
Jump drive, 102 shots.
96 shots.
A little more carefree or assertive.
This is only like.
That's all I know is after this, for the 4th of July season, I'm going to save up money again.
96.
So-
It's just like, I don't know. I don't know what I want. I ask you, it's okay.
Can we get the 96 shot?
This one is the
Go for it.
102 jump and drive shots.
Can we get this one?
Yeah, sure.
But
Put the light ones on top of the light ones, okay? So you can put some back there, the little ones on top of those. I don't know.
it's only 96 shots.
You guys to follow everybody who all likes to do fireworks.
I like how everything is always a regular price and it's insane.
Wait, this one's smushed. You gotta be careful. I'm picky.
Abraham Lincoln on Strawberry.
Picky, picky, picky.
Nice.
Okay, I think we have enough. Let's go.
Remember, we still have to go over. We still have to go over there, y'all. Huh?
Which ones are the good ones?
Yep.
Because there's ones you want to get again.
I don't remember. But don't remember. We're having so much fun, aren't we?
Oh,
Totally. Wow.
Oh, wow. Why do you like this one?
wait.
Hold on. Yippers. Babe, have you seen anything you like?
Wow, this is expensive. This is $31.
Yeah, or no.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. Oh, you're my toe. No idea.
Hey, Tony. I went to A Tony for $25.
Oh, do we have so much fun?
Oh yeah, totally. Lots of fun, babe.
Electric Avenue, $26.
Oh, yeah. So far, y'all, this is what we got. It's exciting. It's for tonight and tomorrow night.
What's
so.
today?
Today is Thursday.
You need the help with my math. You not.
When we get home, he'll help you with the math. What?
All this cool stuff, babe.
I know, right? And I'm doing such an awesome job recording. People are going to be sick watching this. Our followers.
They're gonna love it. How can they be sick of this?
Fat cat.
People are
This
just
is a fountain. Are we
watching
in the fountain?
their page and keep refreshing constantly. If you can see if we upload a video.
This is the
Or
fountain.
see if we go live.
Sure.
Fountain.
Yes, I love fountains. Fountains are pretty.
Purple dragon. Oh, that's cool.
Maybe this is no longer on
Magic
the
Mountain.
Yay! That was funny last night. I like fountains too.
I do that.
You don't like fountains?
I like fountains. They're pretty. We got one that was a long one.
No one noticed the purse was missing.
Because
we knew you had it the whole time. Clearly.
clearly, I can see clearly now.
This is $12.
Are we going to stand here?
You want this now?
No, I was talking to Zach and Robert, not you guys.
Electric rainbow for $12.
There's two of them.
Oh my, so I think it's one big one, babe. Zoe, is that what you want?
I want it, definitely.
Have fun, people?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that said butt.
You want a butt flower? Nope.
Oh, it's a butt flower?
Butt flower?
Butterfly.
Butterfly flower. I just saw butt float.
But I find you own
Butt
some
flow.
butter.
Look, guys, I thought this said.
You better not give me. I mean it, boy.
I thought that said butt float.
Give me the can. Let me be the can. I am can.
I record because every time someone else do, they put me in it, and then I have to private the video.
You don't have to.
I'll let you record if you do not put me in it.
I
One
put
bit.
90% of it of your purse.
Funny. You have to push. What am I supposed to do? Push and record?
Oh, yeah, do it all.
Frisky Starburst. So we did this mushroom last night. That's the mushroom.
Popcorn again?
Mom, do you want popcorn again?
We can get popcorn again if you want popcorn.
No, I'm joking. Let's go.
Or get the emerald because it's in.
Oh, look, Shrek.
Fusion. That is cool, guys. Read it. Neon jelly beans. That is cool. I'm tempted. It's even new this year.
What is this? What is that?
I don't know. Look. It's a neon jelly beans. It's got neon blue, red, lemon tadpoles with popcorn flowers, silver
Tadpoles?
crackling. Yes. Exactly. What? I don't know. We might do that on 4th of July. I don't know.
it.
I'm tempted to that jelly bean one, neon one. Don't get me, boy. What?
Remember these? They would put them with the cars when they drove by.
Yeah.
I want them.
Well, can we get a different? That was a huge pack. Can we get a smaller pack over there? Here. I know we were talking about that last night. Remember? I don't know.
You're just talking about with her. You don't know now?
Oh, you did get it?
That surprised you. You're all talking about it. Might as well get it.
Well, you surprised me. We're talking about how we would put the little snappers in the road and people would drive on it.
And that
What? What?
will not damage your tires.
Oh my god, are you kidding me? You can pop them in your fingers. So,
I don't know.
you're fine.
Ooh, ice cream.
I want ice
That is not ice cream, guys. It's snow cone. Read, boys. Zach, we already got you a thing of smoke balls.
I want more.
Well, wait, not that kind of.
These are the ones that we usually get, Mother.
Well, I thought we got those.
No,
I've
we
got
got
those.
these
Whoops. Go ahead. These are all different kinds. I even bought you some of these.
Well,
They're
those are
neon
new.
ones. Yes.
That's new.
And then I bought you a big one for you. It's blue.
Well, you already got me a bunch, so I'm going to put this
Well,
back.
that's all you do is the smoke balls, though.
It's actually not new. It's 2 years old. 'Cause
You
look
know
how
what
it
I mean?
says- see how it
I mean,
says
it's
new
new
this
that we've seen.
year? New this year.
Yes.
2014.
Well, these
Yes.
are giant.
Yes, they are.
There's even ones that are bigger than that.
I know, we saw them.
Right
We
here.
bought. Yeah, I bought him. I told him I got him a blue one. Remember?
Blue is the favorite.
Anyways,
One of hers.
No, it's mine.
thought it was emerald.
That's not a color. Green is not my favorite color.
We really like sparklers. I always say sparklers and I come to the wrong area.
Hi.
Isn't that funny?
What about sparklers? Can we get?
Don't break them.
Robert, don't break them.
No, I wanted to break them. That was the warehouse.
What do I put?
Yeah, I'm hot. Don't.
I know you are. You don't have to remind me.
Fun.
I'm on. These are like 75 cents and $1 and stuff.
Not bad. Wait, we didn't go down this one yet, did we? We didn't go down this
Yeah,
one.
we have it.
Oh, that's a mushroom one. Yeah. Also sell the 4 packs.
They sell it everywhere.
Ecstasy.
Creature.
I don't see ecstasy. Where?
Next to
Oh.
fire hydrant. See? Do you not see it?
I see right there.
Oh look, flipping awesome.
We did that last night.
We did?
Uh-huh.
Oh, look at these ones.
It's Friday.
Louisiana hot sauce.
How do you light it?
You don't.
You drink it.
There you go, Mom. Since you're so girly.
Yep, I bought a package last night. Since you're so girly. Is that even got a... Okay. We're almost there, Zach. Oh boy, goodness gracious.
This doesn't have a fuse.
I don't know how. I don't see any on any of them. They're probably on the bottom. Taze will figure it out. Can you get it?
You're lucky then. Did you do?
It didn't break. The stupid lid. Oh, this comes off. That's why. Don't pull it from here. Look.
Yeah, I couldn't touch it.
Oh, you knew that?
No, not from those. Usually never pick up anything that has like a lid.
It
Never
doesn't
pick up
have
the
a
lid.
fuse.
Okay, smartass.
Because I've done it with like candles. It broke.
Yeah, that's not good. Restroom is best. Is it a one-person restroom? Is that what that is over there? Where?
It says
That-
no smoking. Doors open.
Huh, I'm thinking about using it.
What's next? You have to go.
Yep, there's. Soon I'm gonna end this
Okay.
because I think they've seen almost everything here already.
Pretty much.
So, and then trying to post this is gonna take forever because we don't have Wi-Fi, and I'm losing my voice.
Oh boy. Let's go.
Walk, babe, walk. Why are you standing here?
I'm waiting for Zach to move.
Mom, question. What is the difference between these and the other brand?
Nothing really. The price.
The cracker balls
Well,
you
only
got?
by
These. Why am I losing my voice?
Because you've been talking all day. Let me take the camera.
Don't put me in it, or I won't upload it.
We will.
Can I get these?
I just plugged it.
The cheaper ones.
By 25 cents. They're only cheaper by 25 cents.
This is what I got.
I'm trying to figure out
I got us these.
I know. But I'm trying to figure out what the difference is.
Who wants the camera?
Price.
Hey, Robert,
Huh?
take camera. Actually, no, whoa. Because you're going to record a mother.
On purpose.
That's two.
Right, Tej?
Say what?
Robert would record mother if I gave
Three
him
more
the
for yourself.
phone.
Not intentionally.
Camera, what? What happened?
But she should be on camera, right guys?
We need it. There's artillery shells too, y'all. Zachary, be careful. Good boy.
Robert, take.
I'll take it because every time he records, it does bad.
Yeah, that's why I asked.
Okay, we're gonna let's end this right now. So, if you guys haven't yet, please subscribe, hit the thumbs like, hit the notification
What
button.
is this?
Hit the thumbs like,
did it,
hit
like,
the
sideways.
notification. So, I have to fix my no. But
Bottom?
Anyways, please give us a thumbs like on this video. Hit the
Fuck, sister.
notification. We will see you tonight when we're doing a live stream. We're doing another live stream tonight
More fireworks.
for fireworks. So,
Without fire.
and if you're not new, thank you for your support again. And we will see you tonight. And we love you all. And
Holly jolly Christmas.
and bye.
Bye. Later, y'all. Peace.